Hi, I'm Bones. I skipped a few safety rules once. Look how that turned out. Before lighting the forge, make sure you're wearing safety glasses, proper clothing, and closed-toe shoes. Never reach into the forge without the proper gloves and tongs. You might lose a hand, or worse. Trust me, I know. Always assume your metal and your tools are hot, even if they don't look like it. Whoa, see? Hot! Forge smart, work safely, have fun, take home memories, not injuries.
Welcome to the Forge. Thank you for your service. Heroes Hammer In is making a difference, one hammer strike at a time.